Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to work on React. So first we need to install Node on our operating system. If you are on Windows platform, you can download the 64-bit installer. If you have 32-bit, you can install that one as well. So I already have installed the nodejs in my OS, so I won't be installing it again. You just have to click on the next, accept the agreements, and click on install. So that will do the work. Once you have installed, you can check your node and npm versions by typing node -v and npm-v. So we have our node and npm node package manager. So now we are going to create a folder where we are going to start making our React app. So md is for make directory, folder name, cd we are going into the folder using change directory. Now we are going to install create React app. That does the heavy work for us, so we don't have to get started from basics. So once it is installed, we can just type create React app and our React app name. So I'm giving the name as first React app. It will take more than a couple of minutes, so hang tight, drink coffee, or just stare at the screen. So once it is done, we can open the folder in our Visual Studio if you have Visual Studio, or you can use any other editor. So type code dot within the directory and your Visual Studio will open up. Seems like it's taking some time. Okay, it has opened up. As you can see, we have our folder created. So we will talk about all these files in our next video. For this video we are only just getting started, so just to know how to what software we need to install, what things we need. So as you can see, just if you type start using npm, we can run our React application. And make sure you are within the folder, as I was in the wrong path. I could not start the application. Change your directory to the project folder and then type npm start. So your server will be up and running, and you will see the React icon in the middle of the screen. Well, it has been compiled successfully, and you can see the React logo. So that's it for this video. For the next video we will be seeing into the files that is being created using the create React app.